Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are facing this problem unable to join Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. So guys, this is not main issue. Make sure you are entering right password. So simply close this window. So guys, fix this issue simply trying common solutions for this. Simply first of all turn on airplane mode for a few seconds. After a few seconds turn back off. Here, so simply restart your iPhone. Simply volume up button and the volume down button and press and hold power button until you will see this screen. Simply slide here. After a few seconds turn back on your iPhone. I hope by restarting your problem will be solved. If this method not work, open setting application and simply tap on Wi-Fi here, and now tap on I button, and now simply tap on forget this network and tap on forget. Now re-enter the password for joining the Wi-Fi network. Here guys, you can see. I hope this method helpful for you. If this method not work, see next solution. So simply tap on general and tap on software update. If software update is available, now update your software. You can see update software is available. Update software. I hope this method helpful for you and solve your problem. And next method is tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your iPhone about a network will be solved after reset network setting. Simply enter iPhone passcode and reset network setting. So guys, I hope after watching my video your problem will be solved. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.